Ang sa ano ma'am, sa dito sa face to face, I think I am not inclined to agree with you. I'm sorry, but mahirap. I cannot gamble on the health of the children. I hope you'd understand.
Oh yes, Mr. President, there are two bases for the DepEd position on the matter of opening of classes and face-to-face. One, of course, which we consider very heavily, is the impact on the economy, because education and the economy are closely linked. The second, of course, is the legal basis for the opening of classes and all other activities. We have a law which was passed last year, Mr. President, wherein it is the President, upon the recommendation of the Secretary of Education, who will decide on the matter of opening of classes and therefore also on other activities. That part we are familiar with. We have all the data. But there is another aspect, and we recognize it, especially after this briefing and the meetings of the IATF, the matter of the health of our children and of our teachers, Mr. President. We're talking about 27 million children and 847,000 teachers. That is where, Mr. President, agreed with you, even as the public strongly excoriated and criticized and cursed the Department of Education. But we said that you are protected by law and you cannot play around with the UK variant. And this time again, always we try to keep ourselves prepared just in case, if things get better, if the numbers are flattened, and if there is more hope, then if you say open the schools, we will open the schools. But considering the latest report a few minutes ago and last week, we would not in any way oppose vision of law. And secondly, the matter of health and the dangers that are posed to our 27 million children is not within our line of expertise. We cannot match the professional knowledge of the health people. And this is why we always say that we rely on the Department of Health and the wisdom of the President. So there is really no problem, Mr. President. I came hoping for support for our learning continuity program na maski 100 pilot. We identified actually, Mr. President, 1,900 schools which might qualify. We kept on bringing it down. Now we said maski 100. But listening to the briefing and listening to your decision, we don't have any reservations, because we all know the effect, and especially the idea, Mr. President, of having also our children vaccinated, because we are told that children are now more prone and perhaps are vulnerable, and we would not want to risk 27 million children and our teachers. And besides, we are part of the executive, and what the executive decides, we support and we cooperate, especially on a professional matter as this, Mr. President. So we are withdrawing our requests in the light of your decision, and we accept fully your decision, which is a very well-informed decision, if I may say so.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.